Everybody is looking for that satisfying engine roar. But what if your F-150 just sits there silently? Today let's get you back on the road. When your Ford F-150's push-button start isn't working, it's usually one of three things. First, check your key fob battery. If the battery is dead, the truck can't recognize your key. So try holding the fob right up to the start button, or use your backup key. Second, make sure you're actually pressing the brake pedal while pushing start. It sounds obvious, but a quick double check can save you time. Third, look for warning lights on your dashboard. If you see a message like "No key detected," your fob might be out of range, or there could be interference. Move other electronics away and try again. Still not starting? Try disconnecting your truck's battery for a few minutes to reset the system. Remember to reconnect it tightly. If none of these steps work, it could be a deeper issue, like a blown fuse or faulty starter. At that point, it's best to call your dealership or a trusted mechanic. So next time your F-150's push-button start acts up, run through these quick checks first. You might just save yourself a trip to the shop, and a lot of stress.